Next, crochet the heads of the two French bulldogs. The crocheting methods for both French bulldog heads are exactly the same, but this one requires changing yarn. The other one is crocheted entirely with white yarn. Here, I will demonstrate using the head of this French bulldog that requires the yarn change. This is the French bulldog that needs yarn change. The black yarn used here can make the stitches hard to see because of lighting during video recording. Gray yarn is used here to replace the black yarn parts for demonstration. During the explanation, I will still use the correct color name to avoid confusion. First, take out the white yarn. Hold the yarn tail with one hand, the other palm is facing up. Pass the yarn through your little finger and ring finger first. Next, pass it through the middle finger and index finger. Hang the yarn on the index finger and hold the yarn tail with the thumb and middle finger. This way, the yarn is properly prepared. The fabric is crocheted by starting with a magic ring. First, create a magic ring. Wrap the yarn tail around your middle finger once. Pinch the cross point with thumb. Take out the crochet hook. Insert the crochet hook through the loop on your middle finger. Place the hook in front of the working yarn. Turn the hook tip forward the working yarn. Pull the crochet hook. Catch the yarn with the crochet hook tip and pull it through the loop on your middle finger. Rotate the crochet hook. In this way, the loop on your middle finger forms a magic ring. Next, crochet a chain stitch to secure the magic ring. Yarn over the crochet hook. Bring the hook behind the working yarn. Press down on the working yarn. Turn the hook tip downward. Pull the crochet hook. Catch the yarn with the crochet hook tip. Pull the yarn through the loop on the crochet hook. One chain stitch is completed. Remove the magic ring from middle finger. Now let's crochet the first round. The first round starts with one chain stitch, then make 6 single crochet. We have just made one chain stitch here. Next, crochet 6 single crochet. The first one. Insert the crochet hook through the magic ring. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both strands of the magic ring. There are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. One single crochet is completed. Attach a stitch marker on the first stitch. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. A fifth one. The sixth one. Six single crochet are completed. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the magic ring. The first round is completed. In the second round, first use white yarn to crochet for increased stitches. The first increase stitch. First, crochet 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Remove the stitch marker and place it on the stitch you just made. Crochet another single crochet in the same stitch. A second increase stitch. The third increase stitch. The fourth increase stitch. First crochet 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Prepare to change yarn on the next single crochet of this increase stitch. First, crochet a half single crochet in the same stitch. Insert the crochet hook into the same stitch. Yarn over the hook and pull through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the crochet hook. This means a half single crochet is done. Release the yarn in your hand. And take out the black yarn you will change to hold it on your hand. Press the yarn tail to the back of the fabric. Finish the remaining half single crochet. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and pull it through the 2 loops on the hook. Tighten the white yarn slightly. The 4 white increase stitches are completed. The yarn has been changed. Next, crochet increase stitches using black yarn. The first increase. Place the black yarn tail over the crochet hook, which will be concealed inside the fabric during crocheting. Then crochet another single crochet into the same stitch. Place the yarn tail over the crochet hook. The second increase stitch. Place the gray yarn tail over the crochet hook. One single crochet is completed. We need to prepare for changing yarn on the second single crochet of this increase stitch. Next, the second single crochet of this increase, we will crochet only a half single crochet. Insert the crochet hook through the same stitch and place the yarn tail over the hook. Yarn over and pull through. This completes a half single crochet. Release the black yarn. Place the white yarn over your hand. Yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on hook. Tighten the black yarn slightly. The yarn has been changed. The 2 increased stitches with black yarn are now completed. This round has formed 12 stitches. Please check your stitch count. Crochet the third round using white yarn first. 1 single crochet followed by 1 increased stitch makes 1 sequence. Repeat the sequence 4 times. Then change to black yarn, uncrochet 1 single crochet followed by 1 increased stitch as 1 sequence. Repeat crocheting this sequence twice. This round forms 18 stitches. The first sequence. 1 single crochet. This is the first stitch of the third round. Attach the stitch marker. One increased stitch. The first sequence of 1 single crochet and 1 increased stitch is completed. Complete the remaining 3 sequences using the same methods. Make 1 single crochet for the second sequence. 1 increased stitch. Make 1 single crochet for the third sequence. 1 increased stitch. The fourth sequence starts with one single crochet. One increased stitch. We need to prepare to change yarn on the second single crochet of this increased stitch. First, crochet a half single crochet in the same stitch. Release the white yarn and hold the black yarn onto your hand. Press the yarn on the back of the fabric. Yarn over and pull through both loops on hook. All 4 sequences are completed. Next, use the black yarn to crochet the sequences. The first sequence starts with one single crochet. One increased stitch. Make one single crochet for the second sequence. One increased stitch. We need to change yarn on the second single crochet of this increased stitch. First, crochet a half single crochet in the same stitch. Release the black yarn. Hold the white yarn onto your hand. Press it on the back of the fabric and finish the single crochet. The second sequence is completed. The third round is also finished. For the fourth round, first use white yarn to crochet one increased stitch followed by 2 single crochet as one sequence. Repeat this sequence 4 times. The first sequence starts with one increased stitch. Attach the stitch marker. Then crochet one more single crochet into the same stitch. Then crochet a single crochet. This is how it looks after crocheting one increased stitch into single crochet as one sequence. We use the same method to complete the remaining 3 sequences. The second sequence starts with one increased stitch. Then crochet a single crochet. The third sequence starts with one increased stitch. Then crochet to single crochet. The fourth sequence starts with one increased stitch. Then crochet to single crochet. All 4 sequences are completed. Next is one increased stitch. In this increased stitch, we need to crochet one single crochet using white yarn. Then crochet one single crochet with black yarn. First, use white yarn to crochet a half single crochet. Next, release the white yarn. Hold the black yarn onto your hand. Press the yarn onto the back of the fabric and finish this single crochet. One single crochet is done. Then use the black yarn to crochet another single crochet into the same stitch. Crocheting to single crochet in the same stitch is an increase stitch. Next, make to single crochet. Next, make 1 increase stitch. Then crochet to single crochet. On the second single crochet, prepare to change yarn for the next round. First, crochet a half single crochet in the next stitch. Release the black yarn. Hold the white yarn onto your hand. Leave enough yarn at the back. Press it to the back of the fabric and crochet the remaining half single crochet. This is how it looks after completing the 4th round. This round creates a total of 24 stitches. Please check your stitch count carefully. For the 5th round, first use white yarn to crochet 3 single crochet followed by 1 increase stitch as one sequence. Repeat this sequence 4 times. Then crochet 1 single crochet. The first sequence starts with 3 single crochet. Attach the stitch marker. The second one. The third one. Next, make 1 increase stitch. This is how it looks after crocheting a sequence of 3 single crochet followed by 1 increase stitch. Refer to the methods for the first sequence. Complete the remaining 3 sequences yourself. All 4 sequences are finished. Then crochet 1 single crochet with white yarn. We need to prepare to change yarn on the single crochet. First, crochet a half single crochet in the next stitch. Release the white yarn. Hold the black yarn on your hand. Press it to the back of the fabric. Yarn over and pull through both loops on hook. Gently tighten the white yarn. Next, use black yarn to crochet to single crochet and 1 increase stitch. 3 single crochet and 1 increase stitch. Start with 2 single crochet. Next, make 1 increase stitch. The increase stitch is completed. Then crochet 3 single crochet. The second one. The third one. Three single crochet are completed. Next, make 1 increase stitch. First, crochet 1 single crochet. We need to prepare to change yarn on the second single crochet of this increase stitch. First, crochet a half single crochet in the same stitch. Then release the black yarn. Hold the white yarn on your hand. Leave a sufficiently long yarn on the back. Yarn over and pull through both loops on hook. The 5th round is completed. This round has 30 stitches. Please check your stitch count. In round 6, first use white yarn to crochet 1 single crochet, 1 increased stitch and 3 single crochet as one sequence. Repeat this sequence 4 times. Then crochet 1 single crochet with white yarn. Start with 1 single crochet for the first sequence. Attach the stitch marker. One increased stitch. Then make 3 single crochet. The second one. The third one. This is how it looks after crocheting 1 single crochet, 1 increased stitch and 3 single crochet as one sequence. Refer to the crochet methods of the first sequence. Complete the remaining 3 sequences yourself. All 4 sequences are completed. Then, crochet 1 single crochet. Next, we need to work 1 increase. 1 single crochet with white yarn and the other one with black yarn. First use white yarn to crochet a half single crochet in the next stitch. Then release the white yarn. Hold the black yarn on your hand. Press the yarn on the back of the fabric and then finish this single crochet. Then, crochet 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Next, crochet for single crochet using black yarn. Then 1 increased stitch and 3 single crochet. Make for single crochet. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. Next, make 1 increased stitch. Then work 3 single crochet. The second one. On the third stitch, we prepare to change yarn. First, crochet a half single crochet. Release the black yarn and hold the white yarn on your hand. When pulling the yarn over, be sure to leave a long enough yarn on the back. Prevent the fabric from being stretched out of shape. The third single crochet is done. Round 6 is completed. Round 6 creates 36 stitches. Please check your stitch count. Next are rounds 7 to 12. In each round, first use white yarn to crochet 26 single crochet. Then change to black yarn to crochet 10 single crochet. Let me demonstrate the crochet methods for round 7. First, crochet 26 single crochet. Attach the stitch marker. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. We need to prepare for the yarn change on the 26th stitch. Please keep crocheting single crochet like this. Crochet up to the 25th single crochet on your own. The 25th single crochet is done. Make the 26th single crochet by first working a half single crochet. Release the white yarn. Place the black yarn on your hand. Make sure to leave enough yarn at the back. It is okay if it's a bit bent. Finish this single crochet. The 26th single crochet is finished. The yarn has been changed. Next, crochet 10 single crochet with black yarn. The first one. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. The seventh one. The eighth. The ninth. At the 10th single crochet, prepare to change yarn for the next round. Crochet a half single crochet with black yarn. Release the black yarn. Place the white yarn on your hand. Leave enough yarn on, press it toward the back of the fabric. Crochet the remaining half single crochet. Round 7 is completed. The next 5 rounds, from round 8 to round 12, use the same crochet methods as round 7. Please complete the crocheting on your own. Remember to attach stitch marker and check the stitch count during crocheting. This is how it looks after finishing round 12. Next, remove the stitch marker. Now, let's attach the eyes to the fabric. The eyes are attached to the fabric between rounds 8 and 9 on the head. First, locate rounds 8 and 9. The eyes can be attached to either side of the pure white French Bulldog's head. This one requires changing yarn. We need to attach the eyes to black and white side. The very center here is round 1. Round 2. Round 3. Round 4. Round 5. Round 6. Round 7. Between rounds 8 and 9, exactly in the middle of these 2 rounds. The black and white French Bulldog has one eye that needs to be placed in the black area. Then place it with the 2-stitch gap from the white area. A single crochet stitch looks like a V shape from the front. 1 stitch. 2 stitches. Between the 8th and 9th rounds is right here. Attach a stitch marker. Then space the other eye 6 stitches apart. We count 6 stitches to the right. First stitch. Second stitch. Third stitch. Fourth stitch. A 5th stitch. 6th stitch. This is the other placement position. Install one eye first. Then place the other eye where you attach the stitch marker. Turn the fabric inside out. Take the safety back piece from the material kit and fasten it to the eye. Try to fasten it securely. Repeat the same on the other side. The pure white French Bulldog uses the blue eyes. The black and white one uses the golden eyes. The eyes are now installed. Next, crochet round 13. Round 13 starts with a single crochet, 1 decrease stitch into single crochet as one sequence. Repeat this sequence 4 times. Then crochet to single crochet, 1 decrease stitch and 1 single crochet. Crochet the 4 sequences first. The first sequence starts with a single crochet. The first one. Attach the stitch marker. The second one. One decrease stitch. A decrease stitch is completed. Crochet to single crochet. The second one. This is what it looks like after completing one sequence of 2 single crochet, 1 decrease stitch into single crochet. For the second sequence, crochet to single crochet first. The second single crochet. One decrease stitch. The decrease stitch is done. Crochet to single crochet. Two sequences are completed. Please complete the remaining 2 sequences on your own. All 4 sequences are now completed. Next, crochet to single crochet. The first one. A second one. One decrease stitch. The decrease stitch is done. Next, crochet 1 single crochet. We will prepare to change yarn on the single crochet. First, crochet a half single crochet. Release the white yarn. Hold the black yarn onto your hand. Weave a long enough yarn on the back and then finish this single crochet. 1 single crochet is done. The yarn has also been changed. Next, use black yarn to crochet 3 single crochet, 1 decrease stitch, then to single crochet. First, crochet 3 single crochet. The second one. The third one. 1 decrease stitch. Then crochet to single crochet. We prepare to change yarn on the second single crochet. First, crochet a half single crochet, then release the black yarn. Place the white yarn on your hand. Leave a long enough yarn on the back. Finish this single crochet. The 2 single crochet are done. Round 13 is completed. This round has 30 stitches. Please check your stitch count. The black yarn will no longer be used from now on. break the black yarn. Now, crochet round 14. Round 14 consists of 3 single crochet followed by a decrease stitch as one sequence. Repeat this sequence 6 times. The first sequence starts with 3 single crochet. The first one. Place the black yarn tail over the crochet hook. Attach the stitch marker. The second one. The third one. Three single crochet are done. You can ignore this black yarn tail now. Next is one decrease stitch. This is how it looks after crocheting the sequence of 3 single crochet and 1 decrease stitch. Please refer to the crochet methods for the first sequence. Complete the remaining 5 sequences on your own. All 6 sequences are completed. This round has 24 stitches. Please check your stitch count. In round 15, 1 decrease stitch into single crochet from one sequence. Repeat crocheting this sequence 6 times. There will be 18 stitches in total. The first sequence starts with 1 decrease stitch. There is a stitch marker here, so it is difficult to work through front loops. You can remove the stitch marker to continue crocheting. Be careful not to forget to put the stitch marker back on the first stitch. Then crochet a single crochet. The second one. One sequence of a decrease stitch into single crochet is completed. Please complete the remaining 5 sequences on your own. All 6 sequences are completed. Please check your stitch count. Round 15 is finished. Next, stuff the fabric with fiber fill. Take out the fiber fill from the material kit. Tear it apart gently to make it fluffy. Add it slowly into the fabric in small amounts. Everyone can add the filling on their own. Now crochet round 16. In round 16, make a sequence of 1 single crochet followed by 1 decrease stitch. Repeat this sequence 6 times. This round will have a total of 12 stitches. The first sequence. While crocheting, to prevent the fiber fill from being pulled out, you can use your middle finger to hold the fiber fill inside the fabric. 1 single crochet. Remove the stitch marker and place it on the first stitch. Next, make 1 decrease stitch. This is how it looks after crocheting 1 single crochet and 1 decrease stitch as a sequence. Please refer to the crochet methods in the first sequence. Complete the remaining 5 sequences on your own. All 6 sequences are completed. Next, leave a 6-inch yarn tail and cut the yarn. Pull the yarn tail out. Thread the yarn tail through a sewing needle. Then, pick up the front loops of the last round to close the opening. You don't need to pick the front loop of every stitch here. Pick one stitch and skip one stitch. Start from the first stitch. Then skip one stitch without picking the front loop. Pull tight. Then, weave the yarn tail back and forth inside the fabric several times. This step secures the yarn tail. This can prevent it from slipping. Cut off excess yarn tail. One head is completed. This is the head made by using the corresponding colors.